Tila nagbunyi na si Presidential Aspirant Manila Mayor Isko nang tumugo na ang BIR sa sulat ni Aksyon Demokratiko Chairperson Ernest Ramil Jr. Ayon sa sulat ni Ramil Jr. ano na nga ba di umano ang bilyon-bilyong bayarin ng mga Marcoses sa BIR? Ayon kasi sa BIR sinulatan na nila ang pamilya Marcos hinggil dito. Ngunit ayon naman kay Attorney Rodriguez spokesman ni Bongbong Marcos hindi pa sila maaaring tumalima sapagkat wala pang final judgment sa mga asset ng mga Marcoses, na kasalukuyang nakabinbin pa sa korte ang mga kaso. Ayon naman kay Bongbong Marcos tatalima siya kung ano man ang utos ng korte.
Mapapanood ang kabuuan ng bidyong ito matapos lamang ang munting intro. Narito ang kabuuang detalye ng bidyong ito. Manila, Philippines. Despite amply verified pieces of evidence, as well as numerous court convictions and decisions, regarding the illegally acquired assets of the Marcos family, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., on Wednesday claimed that there's a lot of fake news involved there. But the Marcos scion and namesake of the former dictator did not specify which detail about their ill-gotten wealth and estate tax cases are fake. During the Kapihan sa Manila Bay Forum, there's a lot of fake news involved there. Let's leave it to the lawyers to discuss it because the so-called facts that they quote are not facts at all, he said. The camp of presidential candidate and former Senator Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. has urged Aksyon Demokratiko Chairman Ernest Romel to widen his research, first before daring Marcos Jr. to answer the 200 billion pesos estate tax debt. Lawyer Vic Rodriguez, Marcos Jr.'s spokesman, said in a statement that if Romel would research his allegations, he would realize that these have already been answered by the Marcos camp in the past and it would surely help him come up with a more responsible statement in the future. Romel heads the Aksyon Demokratiko party, whose standard-bearer is another presidential aspirant, Manila Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso. Rodriguez maintained that such a case is hinged on a legal issue that has yet to attain finality. It was because the government through the public prosecutors has filed a motion for reconsideration with the Sandigan Bayan on the forfeiture proceedings on the very same properties that were made the tax base in the computation of the estate tax by the Bureau. Thus, the properties subject of the estate tax case are still under litigation. Rodriguez also asserted that, in fact, even the Bureau of Internal Revenue and the Presidential Commission on Good Government have arrived at an agreement for the BIR to wait for the decision on the said case before any collection enforcement activities. Kung mayroon kayong opinyon o komento tungkol sa bidyong ito, maaari po kayong maglahad ng inyong saloobin sa comment section. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipino.